Hello, now I am going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 15, and today's topic is formation of adjectives. Already I have discussed this type of topic before. Again I am discussing for book 3, or you can think for grade 3. Here it is written many adjectives are formed by adding the letter Y to a noun. Like your grid is a noun, just after adding Y it has become an adjective. Same way rust, rusty, healthy. In the examples above, means here Y can be added to the noun without any change in spelling, but look out for the following changes. Here if the noun ends with E, this letter is dropped before the Y is added. Examples: bone, bony, here it was E and it is dropped, and after that Y is added. Same thing, noise, noisy, hasty. When Y is added to some nouns, the last letter is double. Here far, furry, mud, muddy, skin, skinny. So after reading this, we will do some exercises. Here we are getting first exercise, means a number exercise. Here it is written, form adjectives from the nouns in bold type. No change. Here it means a person with a great thirst is dash. Here thirst is bold type of letter and we have to make its adjectives. We will make its that form. Here what we will do? Here we will just add Y after this word. It will be thirsty. Same way we will do 2 number. A child who is longing to sleep is sleepy. So easy these are. 3 number, fingers stained with ink are, it will be inky. A sky with a lot of cloud is cloudy. A loaf with a crisp crust is what? Crusty. A sea with a storm raging is what it is called? It's called stormy. Now B number exercise. Here it is written, form adjectives from the nouns in bold type. Drop the E. So easy. Water which is as cold as ice is icy. What we will do, we will drop this one and after that we will add just Y. So this one, like cheeks like a rose are rosy. Same way we will drop the E and then we will add Y. 3. An orange full of juice is juicy. A tree that provides shade is shady. 5 number, a chimney that pours out smoke is called what? Smoky. Hands covered with grease are greasy. Okay. C number exercise now. Here it is written, form adjectives from the nouns in bold type. Double the last letter. It means we will follow this rule. Here see what we will do. C number exercise. One number, a road covered with mud is called muddy. D will be doubled. Okay. 2 number, a garden that gets much sun is sunny. Foods that contain a lot of fat are what? Fatty. A day when there is a lot of fog is called foggy. Trousers which are as loose as bag are called what? Baggy. A story that causes fun is funny. So today we have finished Junior English Book 3, page number 15, and today we have found the topic, that is adjectives formation. Next day we will do page number 16. There the topic is same sound, different meaning. Today up to this, bye.